right, so I have my cilantro lime chicken, jasmine rice, and my fajita vegetables, and now we're going to put some Greek yogurt on there. I use Greek yogurt in place of like sour cream. It's a healthier option. Load that right in the middle. All right, my favorite part of my burrito bowls is this white queso dip from Trader Joe's. It is so good, and the macros are pretty good. Like, I can do a pretty large scoop of this, and I'm still on track. I'll probably put like this much of a scoop on, and I like to put that on my chicken just because I love my protein, but I just need a little something extra on there to help me get like down all of my protein. And it's like all like melted because like the chicken is hot. It's so good. So this is what my burrito bowl looks like for, it's my second meal today. So yeah, got chicken, queso, sour cream, fajita vegetables, and jasmine rice. And that is it. I highly recommend this. Oh, and I'm gonna pair it with an A&W zero sugar root beer. I usually have my Zevia cream soda or root beer, but I have none in the fridge right now. I need to take them out of the pantry. So, yeah. All right, time to eat. All right, for my next meal, I made another bowl. I just love making bowls just because they're so easy. So I layered it with the Trader Joe's jasmine rice, another pack of the Costco steak bites, just easy 20 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and then the Pura Vida vegetable mix that has like broccoli, red bell peppers, squash, I think, yeah, I'm not sure. But you can get it at Sprouts, Costco, Vons, and just easy to get your vegetables in that way. So yeah, bowls are just so easy. You can basically just add whatever you want. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and probably do some reading. I ordered a Ninja Creamy and it should be here tomorrow or the next day. And I am so excited. I have so many creamy recipes saved that I cannot wait to try out. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I will show you what my next meal is. All right, my last meal of the day. It is a Barebell protein bar, caramel cashew. I have had this every single night this week and it's so good. I ran out. I actually had to buy one on my way out of the gym today, but I usually buy these from Walmart, like a pack of 4. It's a little cheaper than just buying a single one. But I'm so excited. It's like my little dessert until I get my Ninja Creamy. But I did see a Ninja Creamy recipe where they use this as like the topping. I'm like, oh, that would be good. Even more protein. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, take some ZzzQuil, go to bed. I have another workout bright and early tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this full day of eating. I'm definitely gonna try to make more of these. I was just in a rush today, but I hope you still get some ideas from the meals I had. I loved every single meal I had today. Very easy to make, very quick, especially if you work from home. You can just like whip that up really quickly and get right back to your desk. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Until next time, bye.